I'm Vipul Mittal, and in this session, I will discuss objectives of general purpose financial reporting as specified in conceptual framework. Now, you guys know what is a conceptual framework. Conceptual framework is not US GAAP, but it provides a basis for development of US GAAP. It provides a basis for development of financial accounting and reporting guidance. It provides a framework for evaluating existing guidance under US GAAP. It only provides a framework. It provides a basis. It is not US GAAP. Let's see the objective of general purpose financial reporting as specified in the conceptual framework. The objective of general purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information about the reporting entity that is useful to existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors in making decisions about providing resources to the entity. So a lot of things in this one sentence. So the objective of general purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information about the reporting entity that is useful. So what kind of financial information should be provided? Provide financial information that is useful. Useful to whom? To existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors. Useful for what? Useful for making decisions about providing resources to the entity. So the objective of general purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information. That financial information that is useful to existing and potential investors, lenders, and creditors, so that they may make decisions about providing resources to the entity. All right. So the objective of general purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information. So when we say financial information, that is information about entities' resources, transactions, financial events, cash flows, claims. So what kind of financial information we are talking about? Entities' resources, financial transactions, events, cash flows, claims. This financial information should be useful to existing and potential investors, lenders, and other creditors. These are primary users of the general purpose financial statements. These are primary users. So the objective is to provide financial information that is useful to primary users, not for various regulatory bodies, not for other members of public. No, they are not primary users. Who are primary users? Investors, lenders, and creditors, so that they may make decisions. What kind of decisions we are talking about? Decisions about providing resources to the entity. That is, decisions regarding buying stock, whether they should buy stock or not, whether they should sell company share or not, whether they should continue to hold investment in the shares of the entity, whether to provide funds to the entity. So decisions primarily relating to providing resources to the entity. All right. So the objective of general purpose financial reporting is to provide financial information that is useful to investors, lenders, and creditors, so that they may make decisions about providing resources to the entity. And these general purpose financial statements provide information needed by maximum number of primary users. So general purpose financial statements do not provide all the information primary users need. So primary users may need a lot of information. But general purpose financial reporting is not providing all the information primary users need. It does not meet all the information needs of the primary users. But provide information needed by maximum number of primary users, but may not meet the information need of all the primary users. So primary users should consider other information also, information that is not available through general purpose financial reporting. So primary users may have to consider other information, for example, information about political events, industry conditions, industry outlook, general economic conditions. All this information is not provided through general purpose financial reporting. And primary users have to or may have to consider other information also. So this is the objective of general purpose financial reporting. All right, so we'll connect again. Goodbye.